Aloha guys, I'm Nicole from Thailand and now I'm freediving at Koh Island, which is the paradise of all divers. And today I'm gonna talk about the underwater shooting tips for GoPro HERO9 Black, which is really amazing. Let's check it out. Let's go freedive! So, GoPro HERO9 Black is waterproof up to 10 meters without housing. So you don't need to have any underwater case and just put it in the water. But make sure that you close the door firmly before entering the water. Otherwise the water can leak it in. And the most exciting thing of GoPro HERO9 is that there is front-facing LCD screen, which is really good. I really love it because it helped me a lot when I do freediving and selfie. So I can see my friend, the toes, the marine life, and then I can adjust the angle perfectly. So when we're using the GoPro HERO9 underwater, we need to lock the screen, right? And how can we change the setting inside the camera? Here it is, we have the 2-button control, which is the new feature of GoPro HERO9. Easily, we can just hold the mode button at the side and then press the top button, which is a shutter button on top, and then the setting will appear on the front-facing screen, and then we can choose the setting that we want to have. Also, for the GoPro HERO9, we have the water draining microphone, which is really good for vlogging. And now we can do vlogging in the sea because we can hear the sound from like underwater until going out on the surface, and then in the pot over there. So to say, underwater shooting is so easy for you guys right now, but just remember that always lock your screen so the mode will not be changed automatically underwater. And then always wash your GoPro after diving every time with the fresh water, so you will keep your GoPro like safe and clean and looking awesome.